guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel, and today is the long-awaited fall home tour. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys how I have decorated my house for the fall. I'm also gonna throw in a few hacks for you guys, and this is an extra special video because it is a collab with a few of my friends here on YouTube. I am collabing with Amanda, Hottt Mess Mom, as well as Madison Pippins and Nicole Burgess. So I'll go ahead and leave everyone's channel links below, as well as their videos. So if you are not subscribed to their channels, you definitely need to. And if you are new from their channels to mine, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe. I do couponing, I do beauty, I do hauls, I do all sorts of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me share my home with you guys. Okay, so this is my dining table area right here, and I just have a pumpkin table runner, and then I went ahead and just got one of the garlands from the Dollar Tree of the garland leaves, and then I just stuck a pumpkin just right smack dab right there. I like to keep the table very minimal in terms of decor because I do have 3 kids, so I don't like a whole lot of distraction at the dinner table. So this guy was from the Dollar Tree as well. And then a lot of you guys have asked me about this sign in my videos. These tiles were actually sent to me from Stitch Fix as a gift. So I'll go ahead and leave the link of the Etsy shop that made these for us. But I get a lot of questions, so I'm just gonna share with you guys where that came from. So that link will be below. So now we are entering my kitchen. I have a very open floor plan in my house, so I'll just go ahead and share with you guys what I have. I like to keep my counters minimum as possible because I don't like a whole lot of clutter. So I got this green pumpkin from Target, and I don't keep cookies or candies. I keep my receipts to submit to Fetch Rewards, so that's how I kind of hide the receipt clutter that will build up. And then I got this from our local grocery store, Albertsons. It just fit really well with my color scheme, so I went ahead and got that. And then I got some so I got some window decals from the Dollar Tree, and I like to decorate my microwave with them, so I put those guys right there. And then I made this wreath, and everything I got from the Dollar Tree. So I have a harvest wreath right up here. I'll have my video of my DIY in the description box, but I went ahead and just made that wreath, and I repurposed an old wreath that I had to go ahead and make that one. So yeah, I just put it right above the top cabinets that I never use. So that's the cabinets that has the vents for the oven. So I just went ahead and just stuck it up there. And then over here, I just have a little sign. It says Fall in Love. I've had this for forever. Literally, I've had this for about 5 years. So I just did the writing myself, and that guy just hangs out there. And then over here, I have this little sign that I got from the dollar spot at Target. It says Gather Together. And then I'm burning the pumpkin peanut brittle candle, and then I actually got this candle stand at Bath & Body Works too. I got it for free because I had a reward in my Bath & Body Works app. And then over here, I just have these 2 little guys. This came from the Dollar Tree too. One of them says Harvest, and the other one says Autumn with the owl. And then up here, I just have a pumpkin spice everything nice mug that I got from the Target dollar spot. I just put that guy right there. And then I have a little owl hanging up right here. And then I have some more of those window decals on my refrigerator. And then I also have these hand towels that I got from the Target dollar spot. One says, Let's Stay Home. And the other one over here, it says Home Sweet Home and Hello Fall. So I got those. And then I also have a few magnets right here. And the kids and I spelled out Harvest with their letter magnets. So that is my kitchen. I try to keep it as minimal as possible. I do my best. And then over here we have a lovely black Labrador named Charlie, and we have a little Chihuahua pug mix named Porter, and their couch is decorated with this lovely pumpkin pillow that I got from the Target dollar spot. I've had this throw blanket for years. I got this from Kohl's. It is the softest thing in the world, you guys. And then I also found this pumpkin spice pillow at Target as well. I think it was $5 if I'm not mistaken. And then I got this little wooden harvest sign last year at Target. So I just stuck this up here on my wall. So I thought it fit really well with my little wood thing that I have going on. And then I have a pumpkin from the Dollar Tree or the Dollar Spot from last year. So I have one of those pumpkins up there. And then I have another pumpkin right down here. So these are the bookshelves that are built into my living room. And then over here, I just have a frame that I made myself. It says Harvest on it, just from a wood block. I'll have that video below if you want to take a look. I also made this frame right here, and it just says Thankful. So I thought it really tied into the whole fall decor. So that, yeah, so that is my living room. Hey you guys, so now I'm gonna go into my first hack. You definitely want to do a very good clean on the areas that you're wanting to decorate. So take this as the time to go ahead and deep clean the areas that you're focusing on. So I have been using the Mrs. Meyer's the Clean Day multi-surface spray. So I've been using this all over my house. I have it in the apple cider scent, and I also have it in the pumpkin. I absolutely love both. If I had to pick, my favorite is definitely the pumpkin because I love that woodsy smell. So definitely do a deep clean of all of the areas that you want to go ahead and decorate first. Do that first, and then decorating is going to be a lot easier, and it's going to look a lot nicer if you're, you know, decorating obviously a clean surface. And then this is my office area right here. I really didn't decorate anything here because there's a lot of fuss and fuss that go on right here. But I did put 2 pumpkins here. So I'm a little festive over here. So I have a gray pumpkin right here. And then I have a little pumpkin guy that's right up there. So that is my office. If you guys want to see a full-on office tour, let me know. And then I also got a leaf garland just to go and frame my mirror. And then I put a few more of those window decals on my mirror. So just a little bit. And then in Scarlett's room, hi Scarlett.
Hi Mom. Hi.
In Scarlett's room, I just ran a few leaf garlands right here. And then I made this placemat right here. It is the leaf owl. And I went ahead and just put this on her dresser. And then I went ahead and put a little owl here and a sequin pumpkin that Ashley from Ashley's Coupons actually got me. So that just gave a little bit of fall flair into Scarlett's bedroom. Nothing too much. Thank you for showing us your bedroom, Scarlett.
Yeah.
And then in here, I kept things pretty simple. Like I said, I just put this Thankful and Blessed pumpkin sign. I got this from the Dollar Tree as well. Really high quality, you guys. So I put that above my toilet, and then I just put another one of the leaf garlands over here, and then I have my Mrs. Meyer's apple scent hand soap. Ooh, check out that spit up. Oh my God, Becky, look at that spit up. It's just like so big. So I also have another Bath & Body Works candle burning, and this is the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. So I have that going right here. And then I went ahead and added a little bit of green into my office as well. So I just have a fern plant right there. And then this is actually where I chose to put my pineapple, my Farmhouse pineapple. I don't know if I actually showed you. And then I also got this sign from Hobby Lobby. And fun fact, my son used a marker and he markered on this, but I used a magic eraser and it came right out. So magic erasers get out markers as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to share with you guys a fun little cleaning hack I have for you. So I actually learned this tip from Kimberly Style Mom XO, and she talked about how she freshened up her like bathroom trash. So I thought that this was actually really ingenious. So I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's Clean the Day multi-surface just to go ahead and disinfect the actual trash can itself. I used to go out and buy new trash cans all the time, but when I learned to just disinfect the trash can myself, I have saved a bunch of money. So what you want to do is use any type of essential oil that you may have. So I have the cinnamon one from Simply Earth. This is from their October box. And what you want to do is just add a little bit of the oil. You just want to add it onto your paper towel, and then go ahead and just rub this all over your trash can. So after you're done disinfecting it, then you're gonna have that scent of the cinnamon, and it's going to fill up your bathroom. So this works so well, and it's a really great trash deodorizer, and it's a natural trash deodorizer. So all you need to do is use any type of multi-surface cleaner to disinfect, and then go ahead and just put your favorite essential oil. So I went with the cinnamon because it kind of ties into the scents of my house, which is cinnamon and apple and all the fun fall scents. So right here in our entryway, we just have a few of these scarecrow guys just hanging out. And then I have a home sweet home sign that I got from the Dollar Tree, and a few more scarecrow guys right there, and this ridiculously scary spider hanging out right there. And then I also have this Hello Fall sign I got last year from Michael's, I think. And then I just added a few of the cotton stems right here, right outside our door. And then I have this little sign here that says Harvest, Happy Fall, Give Thanks, Pumpkin Patch. I got this guy from the Dollar Tree. And then I have this wreath that I made. I have a Dollar Tree DIY video, so I went ahead and made this guy. Everything I used was Dollar Tree. So another hack I have for you guys is to go ahead and take out all of that season's decor. So say we're working on fall, well, we're working on fall. Go ahead and take out all of your fall decor and lay it all out, and then this is your time to go ahead and go through the stuff you already have. Do not buy anything until you've gone through all the decor that you have. And this is your time to get rid of stuff. This is your time to maybe piece together what type of theme you want to go with. So I highly suggest that you look through what you already have, because I don't know about you, but I have done this so many times to where I have purchased a bunch of home decor, and then when I get back, I look at my bins and I'm like, oh crap, I already had this, or I had something similar. Like I really didn't need to spend the money. So definitely do that before you go out and purchase your decor. And something else, if you're trying to save money, now is the time to hit up your local thrift stores. So thrift stores will actually put out seasonal items during that particular season. So definitely hit up your thrift stores, definitely hit up garage sales. Amanda, Hottt Mess Mom, she actually found a really nice wreath. I saw this on Instagram, and she found a wreath for like $2. So there's some great savings, even not in retail stores. So just go to the, Goodwill, look at your Facebook groups. For me, when I am decluttering my decor, I will put it on my local city's Facebook page, and I'll say, hey, I have a bunch of stuff that I want to get off my hands, like first come, first serve. You could do that if you want to get rid of your stuff and you want to donate it, or you can donate it to your kid's school. There's so many churches. So look into that as an option if you want to get rid of some of your decor. So then up here, I just have a campfire pumpkin candle burning right here. It's actually a grape candle, and it fits really well with the flow of my house. So very farmhouse in the color of the candle. And then I had this from Kohl's a few years ago. It says, I love you more than pumpkin anything. So I thought this would fit really well in my area that I have with my wedding stuff. And then this white pumpkin came from the Dollar Tree last year. My husband doesn't like a whole lot of fuss and fuss, so I don't decorate his office. But he does have a very sexy little Labrador dog on a beach ball right there. So you don't really like a whole lot of decorations in your office, right? So I skip it, so I don't even waste my time. I not decorate Sawyer's room, because this kid will get his hands on literally everything, and he's just way too mischievous. But I put this little door hanger so we know when he goes in and out of his room. So thank you, Ashley. And then this is the kids' bathroom. I'm not going to turn the light on because I didn't even clean this bathroom. So real life, guys, this bathroom is a mess. Okay, so we have a sleeping baby in here. So I'm not going to be talking. I'm going to do voiceover. So he's right there. He's so cute. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys around my master bedroom. Very farmhouse, of course. I got this comforter from Amazon. It's actually reversible. So you have a print on one side and it's gray on the other. And then I just have some simple photos in here. I did this little wall art right here. Pretty simple, straightforward. And I have another farmhouse pineapple, you guys. Yes, I have 2 in my house. So now we are in my shower. I really want to put like a garden tub in there. I just don't know. What do you guys think? And then I have a little bit of fall in here with the plant in the windowsill. I have that pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. Thanks, Ash. And this little vase. And then I have a leaf garland that lines the sink. And I have a Mrs. Meyer's candle burning in lavender. And this is my master bathroom and master bedroom, guys. I like to keep everything pretty clean and simple. So yeah, this is it. So now we're going to walk out of here and not wake the baby. Very important. You do not want to wake a sleeping baby. I think we did it, guys. Woohoo! So another hack that I have for you guys is to choose a particular color and just go about your decorating with that color scheme. So pick one color to focus on and then all of your decor around it will just kind of like flow together. So my color for the fall has been the like burnt orange colors and really deep reds. So that has been my color scheme for the fall. So I am trying to incorporate the natural elements of my house. So I have a lot of dark wood in my house. So I tried to really play up the dark wood in my house to then bounce off all of the colors that I decided to go ahead and use in my house. So if that makes any sense, just pick maybe 1 or 2 colors to focus your decor on and then just go from there. Okay guys, so this is my fall home decor tour. I try not to go too crazy because that's just how I like to decorate my house. I don't like to have it stuffed to the brim with stuff. I just like to scatter things here and there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of my house. Okay, so if you are new to Grove Collaborative, they're actually offering a fun promo if you are a new customer. So if you're a new customer and you place your first $20 order, you're gonna get the Mrs. Meyer set for free. So you can get it in the apple scent, you can get it in the pumpkin, you can get it in the mum, but you're gonna get the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. You're also gonna get the apple cider dish soap, and you're also gonna get the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, and then you're also gonna get this fun little dish scrubber right here. And you're going to get a white tray to put all of your stuff on it. So this is a nice promo. You can use the link below if you want to get that free set with your first $20 order. And I hope you guys definitely check out all the other videos that are involved in this collab. And I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.